Hey guys, welcome back to Vedic Mathvantage, where we will be learning simple and easy techniques for maths through Vedic maths. Last week we learned about mixed base multiplication. Today we'll be learning how to simplify your multiplication process using splitting. Let me show you how. Let's begin. Today we'll be doing the splitting technique. This is used for multiplication when you have two numbers of equal digits and they are of 3 or more number of digits. Let me tell you in what kind of situations this technique is useful. Take two numbers 108 and 704. So of course, in all multiplication questions you may employ the vertically and crosswise technique when the digits are the same, but here the splitting technique is more practical and easier. You can't use above base multiplication over here because the base digits are different, but when they are the same you can use the above base technique. Go check out that video if you haven't yet. Okay, so let me show you how you solve. So 704 108. Okay, so splitting meaning you split the whole three digits into two separate parts. Okay, and there are two ways to split this. Either you can group the right two digits, in the sense the ones and the tens digit, or you can group the hundreds and tens digit and keep the ones digit separate. I will show you how to do it both the ways, but you can choose how to split it depending on the question and whichever one makes your calculation easier and faster. So first let's split the right two digits. Okay, so now in this question we will treat the right two digits as one digit. Essentially, this is the same as vertically and crosswise multiplication. Please go check out that video as well if you haven't seen it yet, because learning that technique is crucial to understanding this one. So basically it's vertically and crosswise multiplication, but you treat the right two digits as one digit, and so it simplifies your process and reduces your number of steps. Here 04 and 08 are small numbers, that's why we're splitting it like this, and it's easier to multiply. If you had huge numbers like 7, 8, 3 and 6, 4, 9, this technique wouldn't be practical. Okay, so let me show you how to use this technique. But first and most importantly, 04 and 08 are grouped and they are the rightmost part of the answer. So we should check the number of digits they have, and here they have two digits. Am I right? So that means every single component of the answer should have two digits, and if it has only one digit you may put 0 and then the one digit. Okay, but you should have two digits in this. So in this case we have 0408 which have two digits, so the answer component should also have two digits. But let's say we have one digit in the rightmost part and two digits in the left part. You still do it according to the rightmost part, in meaning each component of the answer will have only one digit and rest all go into the next step as a carry, and this can work for any number of digits. Okay, now let's solve. So this is the regular vertically and crosswise multiplication. First, vertical multiplication from right side. 04 into 08 gives 32, write it as it is because we need 2 digits in this component, and that is satisfied. Next, 7 into 08 and 1 into 04. Okay, so 7 into 08 is 56 plus 1 into 4 is 4, so that is 60. Again, 2 digits, so we can write 60 as it is. And 7 into 1 is 7. It's the last step of the answer, so that's all. You can have as many number of digits as you want, more or less, when you're at the last step of the multiplication, so that doesn't matter. Let me show you how to use this technique when you split it in the other way. So 704 108. Okay, and so it's essentially the same thing, but each component of the answer is 1 digit because 4 and 8 are single digit, and it's the rightmost part. And here you take 70 and 10 for the left part, and you may split it either way, but this technique would be more useful in a question like 205 into let's say 159. If you split it like this, then you'd have to multiply 5 with 59 and 2 with 59, which is still simple. But if you split it the other way, you have 20 and 15 with 5 and 9, which is way simpler. So it's all about simplifying the process. Okay, so now same thing we do over here. Okay, first step, 4 into 8, 32, 2. Now in this case we have only 1 digit in the component, unlike the previous case, so 3 goes as a carry. Now 70 into 8, 560, plus 10 into 4, 40, plus 3. So 40 plus 560 is 600, plus 3, 603. So we have 3 here, and now our carry is 60. Okay, next for the last step, 70 into 10, 700, plus 60, 760. And as I said, for the last step, the number of digits does not matter. I hope you understood how this technique works. And you can also use this for 4-digit numbers. Let's say you have 1, 2, and 2, 5, and 1, 0, 1, 0. As an example, you could split it right in the middle, treat each of them as single digits, and do the regular multiplication. Or you can even have like 5-digit or 6-digit and keep 3 parts in your answer. You can modify this technique in any way you like. Just don't forget the basic rules. So you can have 5 and 3 over here, and this becomes 5-digit multiplication, but it's still so simple. Let me just quickly solve this question. 25 and 10 are 2 digits, so answer should be in 2 digits. So 25 into 10, 250, 50, carry of 2. Next, 12 into 10, 120, plus 25 into 10, 250. So 120 plus 250, 370, plus 2 is 372. So 72 as a second part, and carry of 300. Carry of 3. Next, 3-way crosswise. So 12 into 10, 120, 5 into 10, 50, 25 into 3, 75. So 75 plus 120 plus 50. That would be 125. 125 plus 120, and that would give 245. Our carry is 3, so 248. and we have 4, 8, carry of 2. Okay. Now for the two-way crosswise, for the left two digits, okay, 5 into 10, 50, plus 12 into 3, 36, plus 2 of carry. So that would give 50 plus 36, 86, plus 2. 86 plus 2, 88. There's no carries here because it's a 2-digit. And 5 into 3, finally, you have 15. Do you think this was way easier than regular school multiplication or even the regular vertically and crosswise multiplication? I really think so. Okay? And you need not split only by 1 or 2 digits. You can even split the rightmost part or leftmost part into 3 digits or 4 digits or as many as you like. It's up to you. I hope you understood this technique, and I really urge you to practice this because this is really useful and can really speed up all your calculations.
So I hope you understood the steps that were outlined in the video. If not, feel free to rewatch the video as many times as you like until you get a wrap around it. Other than that, just keep practicing so that you'll get more better and faster at the technique. That's all for today. See you next time.